absolutely amazing. I was blown away about everything, the costume, the singing, absolutely brilliant.
Fab. That's my entire statement.
Oh, it was wonderful. A star in every item. It was fantastic. Showtime. Come to Cardiff.
Absolutely amazing. I'm not a music buff, but so enjoying it. Really brilliant.
I frequently come to the opera here, but this is just so different. Breath of fresh air, brilliant musicians, fabulous singers, and the dancers I've not seen before. Real treat.
Well, it's a fantastic venue. The acoustics are wonderful, and there's no bad seat in the house.
I haven't been a fan of musicals before, so I don't know a great deal about it, but I'm really enjoying it. Very exciting.
Every single song and every singer has been absolutely incredible. So glad we came.
There was something for everybody in the show. The dancing was fantastic, the singing was superb, and the numbers that they chose were inspired.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant, yeah. It was so great to see some greats, a whole bunch of greats together.
3 syllables, fabulous.
Well, I say come along and give it a go, because when you start hearing the songs, you realise you do know them, and you get right into it. So.
You're thinking, yes, this is just the first 10 years. Watch out what's going to happen in the next 10 years.
You'd be an idiot to miss it. It's beautiful.